Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of the fundamental of organic chemistry. Last class we are discussed about definition of organic chemistry, whereas a few elements used in organic compound like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and classification of organic compound, characteristics of organic compound, and functional group of organic compound. These are discussed in last class. Now we are discuss about nomenclature of organic compounds. Nomenclature can be classified into two types. First one, common name or trivial name. Second one, IUPAC name. What is the meaning for common name? Common name can be derived from their sources. For example, acetic acid, can be derived from vinegar. In Greek word, vinegar, nothing but acetone. Another one, methyl alcohol, can be derived from methyl. Meth, nothing but wine. Wood, nothing but wood. Methyl alcohol can be obtained from distillation of wood. These are the nomenclature for common name. Another one, IUPAC name. IUPAC name nothing but systematic methods of naming of organic compounds. These are can be classified into different types. First one, word root. Another one, prefix. Next one, suffix. What is the meaning for word root? Number of carbon atom present in the longest chain. Another one is a prefix. Prefix is nothing but added before the word root. These are can be classified into two types. Secondary prefix, primary prefix. What is the meaning for secondary prefix? This is nothing but substituent, not functional group. Primary prefix is nothing but differentiate from acyclic compounds. That is a cyclic compound. Word root nothing but number of carbon atom present in the longest chain. Another one is a suffix. Suffix nothing but is written after the word root. These are can be classified into two types. Primary, another one secondary. What is the meaning for primary? This indicates whether the chain is saturated or unsaturated. What is the meaning for saturated? Saturated with a single bond. This is nothing but A name is called alkane. Another one is unsaturated. Unsaturated can be classified in different way. One is double bond. Another one is triple bond. Double bond there are classified in two way. If one double bond present means this name is called ene. That is a alkene. Suppose two double bond present means this is a diene. That is a alkadiene. Three double bond present mean triene. That is a alkatriene. Likewise, triple bond. If one triple bond present mean this name is called ine, called as alkyne. Likewise, 2, 3 like that. These are double bond and triple bond. These are the example for unsaturated compounds. If unsaturated compound and saturated compound which containing the both double bond and triple bond present, this name is called ene. That is the alkene. These are the general terms. Saturated and unsaturated can be explained by the primary suffix. Another one is a secondary suffix. Before discussing secondary suffix, we know about some naming of hydrocarbon alkyl group. First one, alkyl group. What is the meaning for alkyl group? In alkane, that is a molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. One hydrogen can be replaced. This name is called alkyl group. That is a CnH2n plus 1 bond. First one is a alkyl group. In alkane, one hydrogen can be replaced to form alkyl group. This is a formula CnH2n plus 1 bond. Second one, iso-alkyl group. That is a CH3, CH, CH3. This name. Second carbon there is a branch. Branch one, first one same mean iso. Totally how many carbon? 3 carbon. So isopropyl group. Second carbon there is a branch. Branch one, first one same means iso. Totally how many carbon? 4 carbon. This name is called isobutyl group. Here another one more important. Types of carbon bond. Here, what is the definition for types of carbon bond? Carbon bond can be classified in different types. Primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon. Another one is a quaternary carbon atom. Here, one carbon attached with another carbon, this name is called primary carbon. It is also primary carbon. also primary carbon. This carbon attached with the other 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. This one tertiary carbon. Third one, secondary alkyl group. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. What is the valency of carbon? 4. 3, 1, 4. This carbon attached with this carbon, this is known as what? Primary. This carbon attached with the other 2 carbon, this is secondary, it is also primary. Primary carbon, secondary carbon, another one is a primary carbon. Next, tertiary alkyl group. CH3, CH3, CH3. 3 carbon atom attached with the same carbon, this name is called tertiary. One, two, three. Here is a 1, 2, 3. Another one, neo alkyl group. Neo alkyl group is nothing but CH3, 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 CH2. This name is called neo alkyl group. What is the meaning for neo? Center carbon attached with 4 other carbon atoms. This name is called neo. Totally how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentyl group. This is a primary carbon, primary carbon, primary carbon. This is known as what? Quaternary carbon. Quaternary means that is this carbon attached with 4 other carbon atoms. This name is called quaternary carbon atom. Types of carbon atom can be classified into different types: primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, and quaternary carbon. This name tertiary compounds. Tertiary, 20 common carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tertiary butyl group. These are the some names of saturated compound and unsaturated compounds. CH2 double bond CH, CH2. This name allyl group. CH triple bond C, CH2. This name propyl group. So double bond allyl group, triple bond propyl group. For example, there are different types of functional group. Suppose one functional group attached with this carbon, suppose OH group. This name alcohol. What type of alcohol? Isopropyl alcohol. This one secondary butyl alcohol. This one tertiary butyl alcohol. This one neopentyl alcohol. This one allyl alcohol. This one propyl alcohol. These are the examples for saturated and unsaturated of some compound used in the organic compound. Another one is a suffix, that is secondary suffix. What is the meaning of suffix? Suffix is added after the word root. What is the meaning for secondary? This indicates functional groups. Nature of functional groups. Functional group last class we discussed. Totally 30 functional group. First one is what? Alkyl halide, alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and their derivatives, nitrocompounds and amine. These are the important topic used in NEET. These are the classification of IPAC name. What is the meaning for IPAC name? Systematic methods of name of organic compound by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. These are can be classified in three types: word root, prefix and suffix. Another one, IPAC rule. IPAC rule. There are different types of rule. Write on the name of organic compound. First one, select the longest carbon chain as word root. Point number 2. Numbering the longest carbon chain. Next, naming the substituent, that is a prefix or suffix. Fourth point, arrange the substituent in alphabetical order. Last one, write the name of organic compounds. These are the rule followed by write on the organic compound. For example, totally common carbon, 6 carbon as a word root. This one act as a prefix. Prefix nothing but a substituent. Name is called secondary prefix. Totally common carbon, 6 carbon. Starting from the functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth position there is a substituent. So 4 bromo. This one is a cyclic compound. Cyclo, totally common carbon, 6 carbon. Hexane. OH group attached with the first carbon. This name is called 1R. In alcohol, suffix OL. OL is the first letter is a vowel letter. In alkane, terminal E replaced by the OL. These are the IPAC name of the compounds. This one acts as a secondary prefix. This one acts as a primary prefix. This one acts as a word root. This primary suffix. This one secondary suffix. This formula very important. What is the rule? Secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Secondary prefix indicate substituent. Primary prefix indicate cyclocompound. Word root number of carbon atom in the chain. Primary suffix indicate whether the chain is saturated or unsaturated. Secondary suffix indicate whether the functional group, what is a functional group? Alcohol functional group. Another one. another compound. In that compound, there are two functional groups. What's the rule for IPEC system? First rule, select the longest carbon chain as a word root. Longest chain. Here, there are two functional groups. One is a carboxylic acid, another one is a aldehyde group. First priority carboxylic acid, it will come by the practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Word root, totally common carbon, 7 carbon. In the second carbon, there are two substituents. One is a methyl group, another one is a aldehyde group. There is a formyl. There are two substituents written in the alphabetic order. This one formyl, this one is a methyl. Methyl first letter M, formyl first letter F. So formyl is come first. So 2 formyl, 2 methyl, hexanoic acid. Because of longest chain which containing the functional group carboxylic group, totally common carbon. So hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 captanoic acid. Captanoic acid. This one is an example for the another compound. What is the first one? Select the longest carbon chain as a root word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbering the longest chain, totally 7 carbon atom. Another one, naming the substituent. This is a methyl group, another one is a aldehyde group. Arrange the substituent in alphabetic order. Formyl, methyl, formyl first letter F, this second. Another one, write the name of the organic compound. What is the formula for write down the name of the organic compound? Secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Another one, nomenclature for aromatic compounds. In aromatic compound, first one is a nucleus. What is the definition for nucleus? The benzene ring present in the organic compound, this name is called nucleus. Benzene totally 6 carbon. Alternative conjugated bond. What is the valency of carbon? 4. Hydrogen valency 1. Here 1 hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is a hydrogen. In the benzene nucleus, totally 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. This can be written as R. What is the representation of small ring? All the carbon-carbon bond length are equal. Bond length is 1.40 Armstrong. Bond length. Small ring representation of all the carbon-carbon bond length are equal. This name is called benzene. Or phenene or 6 aniline. 6 nothing but totally common pi bond, 3 pi bond, each pi bond having 2 electrons, so 6 electrons, so 6 aniline. General name arene. These are the nucleus. Another one is a substituted nucleus. Nomenclature of organic compound. First one is a nucleus. Second one, nuclear substituted. nuclear substituted. In the benzene ring, totally 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Among 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen can be replaced. This name is called phenyl. Suppose 2 hydrogen replaced is a di-substituted, 3 hydrogen replaces or tri-substituted. So nuclear substituted can be classified into 3 types. First one, mono substituted, di-substituted, tri-substituted. First one, mono substituted organic compound. What is the meaning for mono substituted organic compound? In the benzene nucleus, 1 hydrogen can be replaced by the any substituent or functional group. This name is called mono substituted organic compound. Example, this is a phenyl group. 1 hydrogen can be replaced by the functional group, that is a OH group. This name is called phenol. Common name phenol or carbonic acid. IPAC name hydroxyl group. This is a hydroxyl group, hydroxybenzene. Another one is a di-substituted organic compound. In the benzene nucleus, 2 hydrogen can be replaced by the same substituent or different substituent. X, these are X. Clear? Is if same substituent or different substituent attached to the benzene nucleus, this one acts as a epo group. Epo group nearest carbon, this carbon name is called ortho. About bond angle 60 degree. Alternative, for example, alternative carbon atom about the bond angle 120. This name meta. Opposite, this is a bond angle 180 degree. This name is called para. Ortho, meta, para can be classified depends upon the epo group. Epo group nearest carbon ortho, alternative carbon is a meta, opposite carbon para. In that component, totally how many ortho? There are 2 ortho, 2 meta, 1 para. For example, OH, OH group. This name is called a catechol. Catechol. 2 same group attached to the benzene nucleus, catechol. Another name, ortho. Totally common OH group, 2 OH group. Dihydroxy benzene. This adjacent alternative. This name is called resorcinol. That is a meta dihydroxy benzene. This one another name, quinol, that is a para dihydroxy benzene. Here there are two substituents. Any one of the substituents act as a epo group. Epo group is starting group. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is one more common name? That is a common name. First common name catechol or orthodihydroxybenzene. Another one is IUPAC name. 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. Here 1, 3 dihydroxybenzene. Here 1, 4 dihydroxybenzene. These are very important. Is maybe ask the need topic and important topic in organic compound. These are simple, easy to do. Okay. Another one, tri-substituted organic compound. What is the meaning of tri-substituted organic compound? In the benzene nucleus, totally 6 hydrogen. Among the 6 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen can be replaced by any functional group or substituent. Three substituent. This one is adjacent. This one is a symmetric. This one unsymmetric. For example, OH, OH, OH. OH, OH, OH. OH, OH, OH. If 3 OH group present adjacent carbon atom, this name is called pyrocolloid. As a common name, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 dihydroxybenzene. This one fluoroclusinol as a common name. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5 dihydroxybenzene. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This name hydroxyquinone. 1, 2, 4 dihydroxybenzene. These are the nuclear substituted. Another one is a Sidechain substituted. What is the meaning for Sidechain substituted? Any alkyl or any aliphatic hormones directly attach to the benzene nucleus by replacing one or more hydrogen. This name is called Sidechain substituted. For example, this one benzyl. This one benzo. This name benzyl, 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 benzo. For example, CH2Cl benzyl chloride Cl2 benzyl dichloride. This name benzo trichloride. These are the nomenclature of organic compounds. Let us recap the nomenclature of aliphatic compound, aromatic compound. Nomenclature of aliphatic compounds, common name, another one is IPAC name. IPAC name, root word, prefix, suffix, another one is IPAC rule. Nomenclature of aromatic compound, nuclear, nucleus, nuclear substituted. Nuclear substituted can be classified with three types: mono, di, tri, another one is a side chain. Practice the equation regularly, then understood.